Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to my channel, Scotty's Clock World. Thanks for dropping by.
We've got a Hubert Herr cuckoo clock here that doesn't seem to be in too bad a condition actually, other than the time side chain has come off the great wheel. So we're going to have to take the bellows out so we can take the movement out and re-establish the chain on the great wheel. I've undone the lift lever for the right hand side bellows. Working pretty well, a bit on the dusty side. Then it's been a few years since this has been working, I would think. I'll put that aside. We'll take the screw out on the other pipe. I'll leave that there for a second because we've got to undo the lift lever. And there's the lift lever from the high note over there. Now, I'll have to get in here and undo that bend down the bottom there a bit. Pull that back. It helps if you've got a pair of pliers with a bent nose on it when you're working on cuckoo clocks. You can sort of get down into things that you normally can't get into. That's got him out. Now back to removing the pipe. Take the screw out and gently lever out the pipe and bellows. If I can get a grip on that. That's gone out. That's alright, but it's a bit tight on the hammer here, so I'll have to lever that out gently so we can get the brad out. In actual fact, I think it's a staple, not a brad. Yep. Alright, we'll take that out. The low note. Get rid of some of the dirt off it. Working pretty well. I'll put that there. And now, right now, we can now take the movement out. Got a Phillips head screwdriver here, so we should now be able to remove the screws that are holding the movement in. And that's the first one, and before I get any more out, I'll take the damaged hands off the front. I've got a replacement set of hands. That's a bit tight. I'll loosen that off just a little bit. It's got him. Take the knurl nut off. Then the washer. The broken minute hand. And then the hour hand. That's doesn't seem to be moving. Oh no, it's coming off. There we go. That's the original hour hand, made in Germany. Turn him over. We can get back to taking the movement out now. Now, 3 more of these Phillips head screws, and we'll have access to the movement. It's the second one. That one came out pretty easily. Not so easy to pick up. There we go. Here goes the last one. And now, being careful of the little bird.
Thank you to my supporters, Don Dressel, David Phillips, Graham FP, Robert Hornman, Mike Messerschmidt, Stephen Watts, Sidus, Rolf, Tony Paisley, Jeff Clements, Whitney Kovner, Walt Morgan, Dennis O'Connor, Robert Baldwin, Douglas Mueller, John, Martin Olivia, Douglas Rollinson, Bill Leeds, Getzip, Brooks Rowand, Jim Scarladorn, Rodney Van Meter and Elizabeth Smith.